Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another handmade project. Today we're making these cute fabric heart note cards. Use them as Valentine's Day cards, Mother's Day cards, thank you notes, or for any occasion to spread love to your friends and family. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out the blog at debsdays.com where you find plenty more sewing and crafting projects. And my Etsy shops where you'll find the written version of many of my projects with step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable templates. And since these are digital download patterns, you can print them off and get started on your next sewing project today. I've added a link in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project you'll need fabric strips, muslin, cardstock, glue stick, and don't forget the printable template. First, center one fabric strip diagonally from corner to corner with the right side of the fabric facing up on top of the muslin. Secure both sides of the strip to the muslin by stitching 1/8 of an inch away from the raw edges of the fabric strip. Center a second strip on top with the right sides of the fabric facing down. Align the raw edges on one of the long sides of the strips, stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and press it open. Place another strip on top of the last strip with the right sides facing each other, and stitch again using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open. Continue adding strips until you reach the corner of the muslin, and then repeat the steps on the other side of the muslin piece. Trim away the excess ends of the strips. You can flip over the piece so the backing's showing and then use the edge of the backing as a guide for trimming the piece. Pin the heart templates to the fabric piece, leaving a 1/2 inch to 1 inch between each heart and the fabric's edge. Cut the hearts out using pinking shears or scissors, at least a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch from the paper's edge. Cut the two pieces of cardstock in half so each piece measures 5½ inches by 8½ inches. Then fold each one of those pieces in half to make a 4¼ inch by 5½ inch note card. Crease the fold. Center a heart on the front piece of the cardstock. Use a glue stick to temporarily hold it in place. Secure the fabric to the card by stitching 1/8 of an inch to a 1/4 inch inside the edge of the heart. Do make sure the card is open when you're doing your stitching, and follow the same steps to finish all 4 cards. If you'd like to make a handmade envelope, print the template onto paper or cardstock and cut out along the solid lines. Fold in the side flaps and use your fingers to crease the paper. Fold up the bottom is the one with the rounded corners. Crease the paper, add glue to the flaps, and secure it to the flaps. Fold the top flap down and crease it, and insert the card and glue the top flap to the bottom flap. And just like that, you have these fabric note cards to share with your loved ones. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out the blog at debsdays.com, or visit my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. See you next time with another project.